Hello friends, let's crochet together a mini onion. We need yarn jeans, 3 colors, and the size of my hook is 1.6. We make a magic loop and 6 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. In the second round we make 6 increases. 2 single crochets in one loop. The first increase, the second, the third, and continue till the end of the round. In the next round we make increase and a single crochet in the next loop and repeat increase, a single crochet, increase, a single crochet. And in the end of the third round we have 18 loops. In the second round we make 1, 2 single crochets and increase in the third loop. 1, 2, increase, 1, 2, increase, 1, 2, increase, and go on till the end of the round. And now prepare 4 light threads like this and fix them between the stitches. And in the middle. Oh, here. We cut them later. And now we make 6 rounds without changes for 24 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 23 and 24. A slip stitch and a chain. And totally we've made 10 rounds. And now we start to make decreases. 1 single crochet, 2 and decrease. 1, 2, 3, 4, decrease. 1, 2, 3, 4, decrease. 1, 2, 3, 4, decrease. 1, 2, a slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we make a decrease, then 1, 2, 3 single crochets, decrease, 1, 2, 3, and continue till the end of the round. And in the end of this round we have 16 loops. Now we add fiber fill and continue to make decreases. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, and decrease. 1, 2, decrease. 1, 2, decrease. 1, 2, decrease. A slip stitch, a chain, and in the next round we make a decrease, a single crochet, a decrease, a single crochet, a decrease, a single crochet, and one more time, decrease, a single crochet, a slip stitch, a chain. And now we make for the front loops a single crochet just for the front loops, a double crochet, a single crochet, a slip stitch, a single crochet, a double crochet, a single crochet, a single crochet, and a slip stitch in the first loop of this round. Then we pull the thread to the back side, make a chain and leave the long end of the thread. Take a needle and close the hole for the back loops. Then we fix the thread between the stitches and hide it inside the toy. Then we join in the middle the green thread and make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains, a slip stitch, and then we make single crochets. A slip stitch in the middle, and 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, then a slip stitch and single crochets. A slip stitch, a chain, and fix the threads and hide them inside the toy. Then we cut these threads take a needle and make them fluffy. And that's all. Our cute little onion is ready. There are many patterns of fruits and vegetables on my channel. I will write the link in the description to this video. Thank you for attention and have a nice day.